माननीय आमदार निलेश काब्राल.
Speaker, sir, fear and anxiety in the minds of the people regarding a matter of serious public importance relating to fire safety compliances in commercial, public and hospital establishments across Goa. The recent incidents of inspection have once again highlighted gaps in fire safety preparedness, including non-functional equipment, expired no objection certificate, inadequate emergency exits and poor adherences to safety norms in certain establishments. This concerns not only limited to nightlife venues alone, but also extend to restaurants, lodges, shopping complexes, government buildings, public institutions, including in South Goa. While the government has initiated inspection and enforcement drives, fire safety must not be reactive or seasonal. It requires continuous monitoring, periodic audits, and strict compliance, as public safety cannot be compromised under any circumstances. I therefore request Honorable Chief Minister to kindly inform this House the steps the government intends to take to ensure inter-department coordination between fire services, municipal body and the panchayat. I'll give a small example, Speaker, sir. Fire hydrants which are put in the markets are defunct. If a fire catches there, I think PWD is water department and roads is responsible. We hot mixing करून ती आता फायर हायड्रंट सारखी भितर जमनीर घेतल्या. सो मातशें जे हॉनरेबल सीएमान लक्ष घालचें कित्याक आता 2 मिनिस्टर जाले म्हणून.
हाजेरूच आशिल्लो तो. स्पीकर सर, हांव कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंटा कोऑर्डिनेशनाच्या भितर एक गायडलायन ठरोवपाक लायता की फायर PWD बिल्डिंग्स आनी रोड्स हे सगळ्यांचे मेळून जर एक SOP ठरोवपाक लायता.